Hey there, Striverz Money crew. Ever find yourself ramening through your pantry, trying to figure out what to make for dinner, only to end up ordering takeout again? Or maybe you're just tired of overspending on groceries and still having nothing to show for it? Well, we've got your back. Today we are sharing 5 frugal meal planning ideas that'll help you eat well, spend less, and save some serious dough. So grab your shopping list and let's dive in. Meet Alex, a hard-working father of 2 who's always struggled to balance his family's grocery budget with their desire to enjoy delicious, healthy meals. He's tried everything, from clipping coupons to buying in bulk, and he's still spending a fortune on food. Sounds familiar? But Alex's luck is about to change, and so is yours. Get ready to discover 5 frugal meal planning ideas that'll have you saying bon appetit without breaking the bank. Before we dive into our money-saving meal planning tips, let's talk numbers. Did you know that an average American family of 4 wastes about $1,500 worth of food every year? That's a huge chunk of change. But what if we told you that with some smart meal planning, you could cut down on food waste and save a ton of money in the progress? Let's dig in. Number 1. Plan around sales and seasonal produce. Keep an eye on your local grocery store's weekly sales and plan your meals around those discounted items. Bonus points for choosing seasonal produce, which is often cheaper and more flavorful. Number 2. Embrace Meatless Mondays or Tuesdays or Wednesdays. Meat can be expensive, so try incorporating a few vegetarian meals into your weekly rotation. Beans, lentils, and tofu are all affordable protein alternatives that'll help you save some green, both in your wallet and your plate. Number 3. Cook once, eat twice or thrice. Cook large portions of your favorite dishes and repurpose the leftovers into new meals. Transform the roast chicken into a delicious chicken salad, or turn last night's spaghetti into a tasty pasta bake. Number 4. Stock up on pantry staples. Keep your pantry stocked with versatile, affordable staples like rice, pasta, and canned goods. These ingredients can be the base for countless cheap and delicious meals. Number 5. DIY convenience foods. Pre-baked meals and snacks can be a major budget buster. Instead, try making your own versions at home. You'll save money and know exactly what's going into your food. By implementing these frugal meal planning ideas, you'll not only save money on groceries, but you'll also cut down on food waste and eat healthier, more balanced meals. Small changes like these can have a huge impact on your overall financial situation, freeing up more cash for savings or other financial goals. So there you have it, Striverz Money crew, your ultimate guide to frugal meal planning ideas that'll help you eat well and spend less. Are you ready to transform your grocery shopping game and save some serious cash? Let us know which tip you're most excited to try in the comments below. And if you've got more frugal meal planning ideas, we'd love to hear them. If you found this video helpful and entertaining, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Striverz Money for more money-saving advice and life hacks. We are all in this together, striving for financial freedom and a better future for ourselves and our families. Until next time, and keep striving.